mag-grow tsaka magiging stronger, especially during times na mga pagsubok, mga panic moment. So, madami akong natutunan. I-incorporate yan dito sa tema ng batch nyo ngayon na the pivotal role of education in shaping the Filipino youth as vanguard in building the strongest and progressive nation. So, pag pinag-uusapan ng edukasyon, laging ang tinatamagan ng estudyante. So, nasa na ba ang Pilipinas sa educational system ng Asia at ng buong mundo? So, balita ko, medyo naiiwan tayo. So, hindi dahil hindi magagaling ang teacher at hindi magagaling ang estudyante. Pero siguro, dahil sa mga ilang mga sitwasyon, sabi nga ni Professor Clarita Carlos, to gain learning, there should be motivation both sa students at saka sa teacher. Pag wala yung motivation sa teacher, ay hindi siya motivated, may butas. O pag hindi motivated ang student, hindi matututo. So yun yung point na isa sa mga dapat naisip ng mga natin. So meron lang ako i-share sa inyo na 4 na things para sa mga students ko. To improve more of your scores or your performance sa klase. First thing is, you should always remember that walang stupid na student. So kasi madaming nagsasabi na, hindi ko kaya to, ganon. No. So, natin lang tayo sa active and non-active. So, if you're not active, then you're active. Pero, ang tanong, paano ka bang magiging active? So, you should be motivated by yourself if there's no other one to motivate you. And then look for your dream. So, ganun lang yun. You have to have a goal and then work for it. So, lalo na yung mga grade 10, mga completers. Hindi pa kayo graduate. Completers pa lang kayo. So, ang tawag pa rin sa inyo ay basic education student. Di ba no? So, hindi pa kayo graduate. So, you still have 2 more years para mag-continue yung university pa lang ng pangarap niyo, which is in college. So, might as well, I think kailangan niyo pa rin 2 points. So, second is, you should love your scores kasi kahit 0 pa yan or 50 or 75, ikaw pa rin ang gumawa mo. So, you have to embrace na ito yung limitation ko, ito yung kakayahan ko. And then turn this moment into your strength. So, malay nyo, next time, maging mas mataas na yung scores ko. And then the third one is, nakalimutan. Hindi lahat ng lessons ay mahirap. This is the common myth for all the students that kapag ka nagturo na, lalo na yung math, wala na. Huwag na yung laban. But no. So, especially sa batch ninyo ngayon, napakaswerte niyo compare sa amin. Because learning is reachable. Nandyan lang sa laptop. Nandyan lang sa cellphone. So, gamitin niyo YouTube and then you have to work on more content creator na nagpo-focus dun sa tumutulong sa mga estudyante. So, for example, yung mga subject-oriented na YouTube channel, like if you want biology, nandiyan yung Naval Systems. Or yung mga math content creator. Or if you want more in life, nandiyan din yung TED or the bright side. So you have to use the technology for your own advantage. And then, the fourth one is, so bago yun, recap muna natin yung tatlo. So first is, huwag yung isipin na may stupid and smart student. So there's always an active and non-active. So mamimili ka na lang kung saan ka doon. Second is, you have to love your sport. So, we tap in your sports na pag-play. And then the third is, the lessons are not all hard. So, merong mga lesson talaga na easy. Ang problema lang, ina-accept na kagad din na lahat na yan, particularly math and science. Mahirap na kagad. And then the last one is, this is the most important based on my years of teaching. Teachers are not your enemies. So most of you showed like, oh, yun naman si sir. At-trip na naman ako niya. So no, we are here to guide you. So whenever you need help, you have to ask the teachers politely. And then, yun, magkakaroon kayo ng help. So why am I sharing these 4 things to remember sa tema natin? Because education, from the word pivotal, pivotal means very important in a way na pwede siyang maging game changer. So if all the Filipino students will reach like yung mga matataas na scores, then perhaps yung bansa natin is makakapunta sa higher status. So, yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Sabi nga nila, education is the only thing that cannot be robbed from you. So, kahit magkaroon ka ng kotse, nanakaw yan. Or magkaroon ka ng other material things, nanakaw yan. But if you have good education, so nandun yung security na hindi ka lang mananakawan ng wealth, kundi nakakapagbigay ka pa ng tulong. And then your wealth is your reputation. So being educated and oriented in such things, lalo pag nakagraduate na kayo. So I want to end my speech sa isa sa mga quote ng paborito kong quote, yung kay Khalil Gibran, the great teacher. So sabi niya lagi, I cannot give you my knowledge. I can only lead you to your own understanding. Which in a way, very true, na kapag ang student, hindi mo binuksan ang isip mo, hindi ka rin matutulungan ng kahit na sinong teacher to gain your maximum potential because you're just putting it in a closed door. So you have to open up your mind and then strive hard to reach what you want to have or to be in the future. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.